Hey folks, let's do the CSS battle today. See what it is, see what it is, see what it... Ooh, certainly an interesting one. All right, so what is this guy? What is he? Boy, I feel very tempted, very tempted to do all no, basically the nested template. But I think that the right call is 3 elements. So let's see what those elements are. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So part of that is going to be margin. And I'm going to do, so what do I want to do? What I would like to do is do, so let's set green on the body. Great. I need to set a color, and let's just go ahead and do linear gradient. Which is transparent. Color, transparent. At a 90-degree angle. And let's go ahead and make one of these a little bit different. 40 pixels. 0. 200 pixels. 0. So, and then let's set red on the sides. So what's different about each one of these? Those are sort of some random, we got a fully random type of affair going on. So one of the first things I need to do is set this margin to be correct. Now the middle one is different. It's got a different height, right? So we're going to say B, hey B, you are less tall. So height 30. Okay. So now we need to set some margins on the body. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 looks, might be 17. Nope, 16 is correct. And then we need a negative margin, minus 10, 20. And I think that's going to give us what we want. But we need more height on the other ones, or... So let's do B plus B, we'll flip it, or P plus P. This is a little random. Scale minus 1. We'll do what we want. All right, so we want to find the where it demarcates, where it stops. 95, 96, 97, 98. Nope. How about 80? Whoa. Oh, I see. Again, we're just going too fast. All right, let's set a correct height. Is it 100? Okay, I think it's 100. And then the next one, PB. And then the height of that is what? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. And then the last one. So P plus P plus P, P plus P plus P is flipped. So that's got the scale. Like so. Oh, is it a different height? It might be a different height, which is sort of fun. So maybe exploded the entire concept of this guy. All right. This is a mess. Yes, that is correct. I've got a mess on my hands. Have I done this all wrong? Yeah, probably. So let's call B. So let's do the minimum plausible effort. And let's not overthink it. And instead, let's use margins to our advantage. I'm essentially starting fresh. I'm going to say margin left, 10 pixels solid. I'm going to set the color of this to this color. And and 10 pixels solid. And I don't care about this linear gradient anymore. I've got a height of 100 and I don't see a thing. Why? Oh boy. Oh no, not margin left. I typed margin border left. And then let's set this margin to be like 300. 300. Okay. We're kind of getting there. Apologies. You know, not everybody has a good day all the time. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then our background is a conic gradient background. Is conic gradient, which is this color, 25%, and then transparent. And I don't see anything. Why? Let's say red. Oh, I don't see a thing. Again, I don't see anything. Oh boy. Oh, because here's the problem. This is, what did we say? What was that? I did 16, and that's correct. How about 0? 10. How about 8? Okay. All right, and then we got this red in the background that we don't need. It's at 0, 0, 0, 0. Top. That's the background position of our element of our background. It's 100% width. The height is 100%. 50 pixels. 50, 60, 70, something like that. Let's set the center at 10 pixels, 30 pixels. Maybe 20 pixels, 30 pixels, or 15 pixels. Nope, 16 pixels. Okay, there's the first thing. This is cleaner. So what did I do wrong? I basically thought I could wing a very complicated structure, and no, you can't really do that. So for P, P plus P, or P or B, that height, I don't even remember what the color was, but we don't need this background. This background, if we just do, let's see, what do we do? We do, what shall we do? Actually, for this background, we just set the color. Plunk, plunk. Okay. And now we need to set this margin to be negative. Minus 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we are setting margins galore. So how about 0? And probably we need to set the same as the top so that things work consistently. And then on the sides, 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. And then set a height. Height, what did we say? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Nope. 68, 68. And then B. There's that guy. We kind of get that for free. I think we need another minus 16 on the bottom there. And then we can translate him. Translate minus 200 pixels. No, that's not the one we want. What we want is C. I'm going to add attribute C so I can specifically target the last one. I could do last child. I could do P plus P plus P. Let's just do this. So do scale minus 1. So now I flipped it. And then let's do a translate. I need a semicolon. Translate minus 200 pixels. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And that's it. No, how about one more? Two more. Not a lot of reuse. We only set the margins twice. We could do some things with variables there. Let's minify and unit replace, and we're done. Having a plan is good. Plotting out, hey, I want to do all these complicated stuff to do something is good. Juggling the margins, the backgrounds, the borders, the heights, the margins between, all in your head at once. Well, I can't do it, at least. Maybe someone smarter can. Anyway, solved it, got to 100%, finished it. I'm gonna go have dinner. Have a good day. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Go make that webpage. Bye.